hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another super exciting Lush unboxing. So in today's video we are going to be sitting down and unboxing what I believe is the cutest range I have ever seen. This is of course the Lush Moomin collection. Honestly, Lush always go over the top with PR packages and I'm so grateful and honestly like in awe at the detail. Like this is absolutely incredible and I cannot wait to see what we have inside. I haven't even peeked, I haven't even smelt it. Like we are going in absolutely blind and I'm so excited to share this with you. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So as always, before I begin, I do just want to say a massive thank you to the Lush community PR team. I honestly am just so truly grateful. I really do appreciate it and you make my day. And yeah, I just want to say thank you because obviously this wouldn't be happening if it wasn't for you guys watching, but also Lush, I just love you. Like you just make my day. Anyway, without further ado, we are going to open up this incredible box. I really don't want to ruin it because this is absolutely adorable, but we are going to have to dive right in. I also did get, as always, the little card which has all of the product details. This again is absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail is incredible, and then you have the back as well, and then we also have obviously all the details on the inside. And then not only do we have this, we also have some absolutely adorable little stickers. If any of you guys ever watched the Moomins or you grew up with the Moomins, I feel like this is so up your street. These are absolutely adorable. So without further ado now, let's go into the exciting stuff and dive into the box. Oh, stop it. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. I'm getting overstimulated. Hold on. We have things spilling everywhere. Oh, it's squishy. That is the weirdest but most insane thing I've ever touched in my life. Okay guys, so the first thing we have is the Moomin Delight soap and body wash. So essentially this is a Moomin soap. As you can see, they are sleeping, they are being adorable. However, the soap is smushed into a Delight, which is like a marshmallowy textured soap. This is insane. I did not expect it to feel like this when I picked it up, which is why it kind of caught me off guard, because you've got the kind of solid soap on the squishy kind of cloud, I guess. Absolutely insane idea, honestly. This one says floats in your bath, softens the skin and charms you in a cloudberry glow. You'll be watching, no, that's not what that says. You'll be washing 8 times a day if only you could. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got rapeseed oil, we've also got sugar syrup, Davana oil, we have vanilla pod powder, we've got fresh raspberries, almond oil. Okay, I'm gonna have to give it a smell because this is insane. Let's go. You are, nah. That, if I could eat that, I'm literally dribbling. I can't even describe. Okay, the soap smells a little bit lighter, a bit more subtle, quite creamy almost. But this, it's just fresh raspberry. That's absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, it's melting in my fingers though. That is the only problem we have right now. Again, insane. The design of this one again is absolutely stunning. I just love them sleeping. I love that the cloud is pink. I don't know, everything about this is perfection. I wish you guys could smell it, but oh, that's so good. Wow. Oh, yum. The next item we have is a soap, and this is the Little My soap. Now, I'm not gonna lie, like, what is that? What character is that? I have never watched the Moomins, so I feel like a little bit of a fake fan here, but like, I don't know who this is. Is this like the evil person? It's kind of giving like Mojo Jojo from Powerpuff Girls, but like not the monkey. Do you know what I mean? I don't know, it's really odd looking. Anyway, this says ideas, excellent, sass, exemplary, bite, spiced with pink pepper and citrus edge for the silver-tongued and soft-skinned. Okay, let's have a look at the ingredients before we smell it. So this one has got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, grapefruit oil. We've also got Litsi Kubea oil, we've got bergamot oil, we've got ginger root extract, we have got peppercorn extract. I don't know if I'm gonna like this because I don't like fresh ginger. So if it smells like fresh ginger, I'm probably not gonna like it. Oh, wait, whoa. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna sound so weird unless you know exactly what I'm talking about, but this smells like a sort of medicine that I've had growing up and I don't know what. but it also has like a sweet kind of smell, like a American candy smell, but then it kind of also smells just like a generic soap. It's got layers, guys. It's kind of good. I actually really like it. I don't understand the design. I won't lie to you. Like, people are going to see this in my bathroom and think like, what on earth is that? But the smell is beautiful. It's really, really lovely. And again, it's got some really nice ingredients in there. Yeah. I'm really surprised scent-wise that I really like that, because from the ingredients it was just not something I probably would choose if I read the ingredients online, but oh, pleasantly surprised. Oh, that's so good. Yum. The next item we have is a shower gummy. Now I do have to just say, Lush are obsessed with shower gummies at the moment. I mean, I'm not complaining because I really like them personally. I think they're fun, they're different, they're like a really soapy, easier version than a normal jelly, do you know what I mean? Because they're softer, but they are bringing them out literally every single collaboration, but I'm here for it. This is the Snufkin, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, shower gummy, and it says, Wanderers, wise or otherwise, discover washes gloriously stripped back and grounded in nature. And ingredients wise, this one has got carrageenan extract, we've got mimosa flower extract, we've got neroli oil, and we have white lily extract. I can't wait, that smells good. Hold on, I need to like find a little hole, but I can't really find one. I'm gonna have to open it, I think. But this is what it looks like. It's a little guy in a wizard's hat, I guess. Okay, and smell wise, the only way I can describe the scent of this one is it smells kind of like a generic floral, soapy kind of smell. Like it's giving floral, but it's almost like, I don't want to just use like Dove soap as an example, but you know when you smell a bar of soap like that and it has that very soap-like scent, it's kind of like that, which I'm not mad about. I feel like this sort of smell, it's very easy to mix with shower gels and mix with body lotions, and it's not gonna kind of be overpowering, which is nice, but I'm not mad about it. It's kind of nice. The color is a bit garish. Obviously it's for a wizard, so green kind of makes sense. But yeah, I'm excited about that. And again, a gummy, so it is like a hard jelly. The only way I can describe it is it's kind of like, imagine like a gummy sweet, but like harder. Like that is the kind of texture. Squishy but firm. But that's good. I quite like that. Yum. The next item we have is a body lotion, which is really interesting actually. I feel like Lush, they kind of haven't done a lot of longer lasting products. Is that just me? I feel like a lot of products recently have been bath, have been shower, but like I love a body lotion, I love a hand cream, like give me all those things, do you know what I mean? But this one is the Moomin Mama Pancake Batter Body Lotion. If that doesn't sound like the most delicious thing ever, I don't know what does. The packaging, can we just say, is absolutely adorable. I love the design, I love the color, I think it's so sweet, and again on the front it's absolutely beautiful, and then of course on the back we do have the list of ingredients, and the actual lotion is like a really lovely kind of cream color. I know it doesn't really matter with lotion, like a lot of them are probably going to be this color, but I do really like that because it looks like pancake batter, which kind of makes sense. In terms of ingredients with this one, we have got things like almond oil, jojoba oil, we've also got, I don't know what that says, tree flower honey, I have no idea what that is, sandalwood oil, we have got coconut oil, we have got coconut extract. I'm excited. We're gonna have to open it up and see what it smells like. Oh, it's a thick texture. Like, what do I say? How do I describe it? It's very, I don't want to say underwhelming because that is not what I mean at all. It's just very subtle. I was kind of expecting a strong, like foodie gourmandy smell. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know when you smell sticky dates and it's like so in your face, like strong. I was kind of expecting that with this, but you don't get that with this. This one is more of a kind of subtle, creamy smell. Very, very easy to, again, use with other things, other perfumes, that kind of thing. But it is a nice fragrance. I am actually going to use a tiny bit on my hand and just see. So it's very thick, actually. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a very thick, very hydrating lotion, but I like those for like after a bath or something. I feel like when you go to bed, it's nice to be super hydrated. I could not put this on in the daytime because everything would just get stuck to me, but oh, it's got more of a different, there is a different scent to it when it's on the skin. Dare I say it's more like nutty, like it's got like a nutty smell to it. It is good and it's definitely subtle, like it's not overpowering at all. Oh, that's quite nice. Yeah, I like it. Overall, I would say I do really like this one. Again, it's definitely more on the subtle scent sort of side. But to be honest with you, not everything has to be overpowering. So I am really looking forward to this one. And again, the packaging is just insane. Like, I absolutely love that. And last but definitely not least, we have got the bath bomb from the range. And this is the Moomin Troll Bath Bomb. And it says, even the most sociable of sorts can need a little space. And what better way than to warm... Hang on, no, that's not what that says. Then what better way than a warm soak in a I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. In comforting softness. That's basically what it says. This is what it looks like. Obviously, we've got a little Moomin guy's head. Again, I'm so sorry, I don't know what his name is, but he is absolutely adorable. And then in terms of ingredients, we have got things like bergamot oil, lavender oil, sandalwood oil, vanilla extract. We've also got coconut milk powder and gardenia extract. So let's give it a smell. Scent wise, this one is very strong and it's definitely giving off that more floral kind of scent. If you like a generic kind of soapy clean smell, this is up your street for sure, but like, it is strong. Like, I smell it a bit too aggressively then, but yeah, it is a very strong scent for sure. But it's nice, I feel like, because the contrast between that, it's gone up my nostrils, honestly. Can't breathe. The contrast between this and like the body lotion, for example, is so different, but that is very strong. But I love the design of this one. It's obviously got some really beautiful blue and yellow colours on the inside. I absolutely love. It's kind of giving like Tisty Tosty scent, if you remember that bath bomb. Like super floral, very strong. It's good though. Ooh. Yeah, I actually really like that. So those are all of the items that Lush ever so kindly sent me from the Moomin collaboration, and I am so grateful, so thankful, and very impressed with this range. I would love to know down below what you guys think of this collection. Will you be purchasing? Will you not be? Let me know down below in the comments. And as always, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which I will leave down below in the description. And at the moment, if you spend £15, you are in the UK and you're over 18, you will receive a small pot of the Magic Crystals body scrub with your order if you use my link. So that is down below if you would like to use it. Again, thank you so much, Lush, for gifting me the items in this video. But I do just want to say, guys, they haven't paid me to do a video. They haven't paid for me to say anything good or anything like that about these products. These are my honest opinions and honest thoughts, and honestly, I do really enjoy these collaborations. So that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.